global advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
everyone. The name of the label instantly leads to visions of grandeur and royalty. That's exactly what we have got to see yet again this time around through the Kutwara show. Welcome here, Meera and Muzaffar Ali. We're so happy to have you here. Your show was brilliant and breathtaking, and your showstopper looks absolutely gorgeous and proof of the vision that we just spoke about. I'd love to hear from you all. What was the inspiration this time around? Loved the collection as always. You'll always make an impact. There's always a lasting impression. Love to hear from you all about the collection.
Thank you very much for your very kind words. And absolutely, our showstopper, dearest Sushmita, looked stunning. And our collection today is called Samanzar, which means a garden of flowers, and the prettiest flower is here. It's a very elegant and graceful and understated way of showing clothes for women, which is, I think, how women should be. The elegance comes through that. And a lot of the work today was done by our daughter, Sama, who has joined us, the label, for the last 2 years. In fact, she was here with us last year also. Sorry, 4 years. Time flies. And a lot of the silhouettes that you saw today were her contribution. And it was equally inspiring as it has been to work with my husband, as it is to work with my daughter now.
Sama, you really reinvented chicken curry through this collection. Could you take us through that as well?
Yeah, sure. So basically, when I joined Kotwara, I felt that, okay, I need to kind of make more clothes that I see myself in, as well as, you know, the classics. So that's where it began. And I was like, how do I do this without moving very far from what we do? So I always find inspiration in Kotwara's previous collections, and I think that's always, you know, I just love what my parents have done in the past, and I love to kind of re-explore it and kind of give it my own, give my own take on like something that was done in a very traditional way, play with a few different techniques, play with silhouettes and forms, and you know, then eventually the embroideries and the textiles, they just, you know, like you just evolve with them and they just take you on a journey of what they want to be. So it just really happens from there. For me, I've always liked silhouettes which are very ethereal and feminine. They kind of have this dream-like quality. So that's what I tried to embody in the collection, is that it should be like a dream. So I'm not sure how successfully that was evident, but that was the desire.
It was very evident, and like you said, it painted a beautiful picture when we saw it on the ramp. Beautiful. Talking about not the flower actually, but the garden of flower herself. Sushmita, you look absolutely gorgeous. We have to hear from you. You're so confident on the ramp. And this time around as well, you brought the charm, the whole royal ambience. You set the stage on fire. Love to hear from you. What was it like walking this time around?
Can I take you home? Please, because I need to hear this. No, you. I have to first take you home. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Magical. I always love walking the ramp at LFW, and especially in Mumbai. For me, it's magical because I feel like this is, as I was just mentioning to Satya right there, I feel like I'm home with my family and people that just are rooting for you. So it's just easy to be confident on a ramp like that when apne ghar ke log baithe hain sab. And the warm welcome was just so very special. As for looking royal, it's very easy with the House of Kotwara. And if you look at what I was wearing today, the magic of something so elegant and royal is that it does not have to scream out elegance and royal. It's understated. First rule of being royal. By the way, I am sitting next to a king. And so, you knew that, right? Yeah. So, My kind of king, though, I have to say. Because he empowers people. And tonight, his entire family, I'm very fond of Meera, very, very fond of Sama, who's taken great pains to make all of this happen. Just want to quickly say thank you to both sides of the team, my team, their team, because it took a lot of preparation to get this right. And that you liked it, finally, makes me very, very happy. Thank you.
Thank you, Sushmita. Muzaffar, there's no press conference that cannot happen with your little feedback as well. You always put so much life into every collection. I'd love to hear from you as well.
Well, I'm just, I mean, what can I say? Meera is the architect of the whole collection. And I'm just an inspiration for whatever they do. And I get inspired by what they do, you know. And it's very, you know, when you talk about fashion, you talk about a very, what shall I say, a very, an elegance which doesn't change overnight, you know. It just evolves. It evolves very gently. And with, you know, with each year, each passing year, you realize that something little has happened. Something which is like एक छोटी सी बूटी निकल आई, एक छोटा सा अंकुर निकल आया. So the fashion is really a gentle process of evolution. You can't make radical changes in Awadh, you know. Awadh has to have the fragrance of the soil, and we want to keep that fragrance alive. We want to do innovations, but those innovations have to be very gentle. एक शेर है, और आहिस्ता चलो रह गुज़रे हस्ती में, कहीं ये सिलसिले नक्श कदम टूट ना जाए. So ये जो नक्श कदम है, these footsteps of fashion, which we are trying to take in a very kind of a, with a lot of calculation, with a lot of care and caution. And that is what Sama has acquired. She's acquired that caution. She's acquired the understanding of the heritage, the legacy, and she's taking baby steps to create beauty, which is very rare, because everybody who becomes a designer wants to make a world of difference. But how can you change a milieu? How can you change the fragrance of the soil, which is what is very important. So we are dedicated to the fragrance of the soil of Kotwara, to the people of Kotwara, and how we can craft their lives, how we can weave dreams from their effort. So it's really a very different thing, and being an artist helps me. Being a filmmaker helps me even more. You know? Thank you.
Thank you so much. It was lovely speaking to all of you all. Just a request, I'm going to open the floor to questions from media. We'd love to hear from you.
He's already ready.
सुष्मिता, मैंने शो देखा, बहुत डैज़लिंग शो था, बहुत ही अमेजिंग शो था. मुझे लगा कि ये ख़त्म ना हो, चलता जाए, थोड़ा वक्त और चले. मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि मुज़फ़्फ़र सर की फिल्म का ही गाना इस्तेमाल किया गया था.
I'm glad you noticed.
या उस पर कोरियोग्राफ किया गया था, इसलिए इसका इफेक्ट ज़्यादा बढ़ गया. तो इसके बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? और सर, आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि इस पर ही कोरियोग्राफ हो सारा शो पूरा?
I want to answer this. Should I answer it? So, thank you so much for noticing and asking about that. So, we had a beautiful soundtrack, पूरे show के लिए, which was already decided. Ab you've got Meera, Sama, me in one room, and we are listening to what we are going to do with the track in the preparation mode. And we said, ना सिर्फ हमें इन आँखों की मस्ती पे चलना चाहिए, बल्कि उसके ओरिजिनल वर्जन पर चलना चाहिए. No remixes, no artificial enhancement. This is just what it is. It's magical. And it's not an era gone by. It's history. History comes back and celebrates itself. So it was such an honor to be walking for the House of Kotwara as this showstopper, and to have the director of the film, Umrao Jan, agreeing to let me walk to a song. I was 6 years old when the film released, 1981. I was 6 years old, and my entire family and all aunties that came home, जिनको भी थोड़ी सी भी उर्दू आती थी, सब ये गाना गाते थे कि मुझे गाना आता है. तो जब मैं बड़ी हुई थोड़ी, तो मुझे इस गाने के मायने समझ में आने लगे. इसमें जो बात है वो कुछ और ही है. But as a child, I grew up dancing to it. So today my parents would be very excited to see me walk the ramp to this song. It was a dream come true. We changed this track last minute. It wasn't actually supposed to be this. But I'm so grateful to all three of them because they agreed to do this on an instant, even though we were going to walk on a different track. Hannah? Actually, you have to hear from Meera on this because you weren't there for that one.
No, no, I think Sushmita was absolutely spot on when she said, why don't we do this? And then I went back and I said, oh, no. Because, you know, for me, I've heard it so often. You know, it's part of my life. And I said, not again. But then when I slept over it and I thought about it and I said, it has to be, it cannot be anything else. And I think she's done more than justice to walking on that ramp. Much more than I could have imagined.
नहीं मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकता हूँ, ऐड नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि ये लोग बहुत बोल गए हैं ज़्यादा. बहुत छोटी सी चीज़ थी लेकिन इतना तो है कि इट वाज फ्लोइंग इन हर ब्लड, यू नो. जब ये रैम्प पे उतरी तो ये कुछ भी कर सकती थी, मुझे लग रहा था. कहाँ पर जम सकती थी, कहाँ ये चल सकती थी, कहाँ ठहर सकती थी. कुछ भी मुझे लग रहा था कि ये क़यामत ढा देंगी, मतलब अच्छी तरह धुलाई कर देंगी. लेकिन उन्होंने काफ़ी, अब क्योंकि आप लोगों को सबसे वाकिफ़ ही है तो शी हैड दैट ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग व्हाट शी वांटेड टू डू एंड इट वाज रियली वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. एंड आई थिंक यू, आपने जान डाल दी. क्या दिल चीज़ क्या है, आप मेरी जान लीजिए.
सुष्मिता,
It's good to see you again.
थैंक यू. आज तो मर गया मैं. क्या सितम ढाया है आपने.
हाय.
माशाल्लाह. अबे मैं
ये वो आपके आदाब करने का जो तरीका है बहुत खूबसूरत है. हो जाए? रेडी?
आपसे खूबसूरत कुछ हो पाया क्या?
नहीं, कोशिश तो करिए. रेडी? 1 2 एंड शाबाश. ये हुई ना बात. थैंक यू सो मच जान मेरी.
इतना आईना मत देखा करो, वरना आपकी खूबसूरती और नज़ाकत से दिल तो टूटते हैं, किसी दिन आईना भी टूटेगा.
हाय हाय. ये तैयार करके आए थे, अभी भी याद किया?
आप खुद एक गज़ल हो, लिखते जाते हैं सब.
अरे क्या बात है. ज़य नसीब. शुक्रिया.
सुष्मिता, was it impromptu, like looking at the cameramans and then saying इस शहर में तुम जैसे?
It was very in the moment. Lubna should be around when you see this because Lubna always tells me, the choreographer and my teacher, she's been teaching me ramp walks since I was a baby. She always says, "Haath niche," because I do anything. Like he was very correctly saying, Mr. Ali was just saying, absolutely right. I can just do anything on a ramp. But she was like, "Haath niche, be elegant, don't do this, don't do that." But इस गाने से इतनी मोहब्बत है मुझे कि रहा नहीं गया. Like रहा ही नहीं गया. आपने देखा? आप करके बताएं. क्या किया मैंने? इस शहर में तुम जैसे. So I actually looked at all of them.
Last one will be to you, but before that, sir, sir, एक और उम्राव हो जाए.
हम लोग कह रहे थे कि एक और गमन हो जाए. इस शहर में हर शख्स परेशान सा क्यों?
But any plans कि like, sir, any plans कि like one more with Sushmita this time?
कुछ भी हो सकता है. कुछ भी हो सकता है.
नहीं, थोड़ा elaborate बनिए, तभी न्यूज़ बनेगी.
अब देखिए, क्या आप हेडलाइन की तलाश कर रहे हैं?
सोचा है आपने ऐसा?
जी
जी, मैं वही पूछ रहा हूँ कि
बस मेरा काम ही सोचने का है, हर वक्त सोचता रहता हूँ. अब क्या निकल के आता है मुझे मालूम नहीं. आज जो शाम थी वो भी कभी शायद ख्वाब में तो देखी होगी ना.
Sushmita, as we end, can we have the song from your vocal cords? 2 लाइन.
खुद ही एंड कर रहे हैं.
जी शो स्टॉपर थी तो वोकल कॉर्ड तो घर पे छोड़ के आई. गाना थोड़ी ना गाना था आज. No, I don't sing. And I sing in the bathroom really well because I have the echo. But, Janeman, ये ना नहीं होगा, गाना नहीं होगा, बैठा हुआ है थोड़ा भावकारी, बट मैं किरत की हद से गुजर गया, मैं किरत की हद से गुजर गया, गमे दो जहां से गुजर गया, गमे आशिकी तेरा शुक्रिया, मैं कहां कहां से गुजर गया. Next time I sing.
Thank you so much for that. Just a quick request if you could have you all to the front for a quick picture. Sure. Thank you.
नहीं आए, सामने नहीं आए.
सोलो करेंगे? सोलो? या सोलो सोलो. हाँ ये वाला नहीं. या वही चाहिए था. वही चाहिए था. मैं सेंटर लुक गया लेफ्ट. मैम एक सामने कैमरा लुक आदाब से. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Janmari. You guys have really made me feel wonderful. Thanks a ton. Really, it was all so worth it. Like I was saying, there was a lot of effort. बहुत मेहनत लगी. There are a lot of little things here that have been tucked, pinned, put for the entire look to come together. And also, the jewelry was flown down between Mumbai and Hyderabad, and we wanted a certain kind of look. And I have never done this, like a full nath in the whole look. I felt like a princess come bride walking down an aisle with my family on both sides. It was a very memorable evening.
Ma'am, whenever you come to the ramp, you was always confident and there is some glow in your face. What's the secret about
Well, I'm basically a happy person. I think sometimes makeup covers it up. If you see me without makeup, I glow even more. So I think it's just being happy.
What's the first thing come on your brain while walking on the ramp?
Brain में क्या आया था? सोचो. Honestly, मैं जब just before I got on to the ramp, this nut just decided to do that in the middle of everything, and I don't have a nose, pierced. I don't have the nose pierced, so ये गुस्सा नहीं है basically. So I was like, please, बस गिरना नहीं, सबके सामने गिरना नहीं. It's such a beautiful look, and somehow, ऊपर वाला बहुत मदद करता है. When you work so hard for the little things, God bless Sama and Meera. They really brought different parts of India together to make this showstopper happen. But it would not have been the same without the energy of the people in there. That includes members of media and people sitting on both sides. It was just so amazing, including the models backstage. They were just so lovely. Such good energy. Oh, I always have nervous energy. My mama used to always say, मैं जब बहुत छोटी थी और स्कूल में elocution competition में जाती थी या कुछ भी करती थी, on stage, mama would always say, तुम रहने दो. Stage में, backstage में खड़े होकर डर लग रहा है, mama, I think my stomach is upset, I don't feel good, सांस नहीं आ रही है. And then mama would say, stage पे कदम रखो, personality बदल जाती है तुम्हारी. Which has never changed. When I get on the stage, I say Durga Durga, and then I say, okay now, showtime. Then everything changes. But backstage, I still have nervous energy. I bite my nails and all.
Happy evening, Sushmita.
Yeah, thank you, Janvi.
Sushmita, when can we see all of you three together walking the road at National Fashion Week?
Oh, baby, that would have to wait a little longer because my elder one's right now in school, finally doing her boards. So she's very, very busy with that. The younger one is here tonight.
Okay.
And she did one adab to me while I was walking. I think you might have seen the little one. She told me today, as I told her 5 days ago for her sports day, be brave. Don't worry about it. Jo bhi hoga dekhenge. Just get on there and do your best. She turns around. She's 8 years old. Be brave. Get on there and do your best. Everything is going to be fine. I think someday I hope to bring both of them back on the ramp. Hopefully next year, once the elder one is freer and the younger one is, well, also free. She has a busy life.
Thank you. We see you will also be on internet and आप हमें तड़पाती हैं ताकि और चाहत बढ़े.
देखिए, distance does make the heart grow fonder, but distance geography में कभी नहीं होगी, और होगी भी तो दिलों में नहीं होगी. So I'm on social media to make sure that people stay in touch with me and I stay in touch with them, because I love all my 3 accounts, but Instagram especially, because a lot of these people have seen me through really hard times. And they don't even know it, you know. Sometimes you just go through very difficult, trying times in your life, and 1,000 of them leave 1,000 comments, and it wakes you up, and you say, "इतनी मोहब्बत करते हैं सब आपसे, इतना सोचते हैं आपके बारे में, आप ऐसे कैसे कर सकती हैं? Get up, wash your face, get down to business again." They believe in you. So I just want to say, social media, thank you. People there, thank you. You've been a source of huge strength for me, always.
Thank you. बहुत करते हैं. You are so confident. रैंक की बात करें या आपके इंस्टाग्राम में किस सोशल मीडिया में लोग बहुत फॉलो करते हैं. कुछ फैशन टिप्स देना चाहेंगे? कुछ ऐसे जो स्टाइल देते हैं लेकिन
माइक थोड़ा नीचे रखो ना. अरे हो आउटर वाले माइक.
फैशन के लिए सबसे पहला रूल, ये बहुत समझदारी का रूल है, पैर उतनी फैलाओ जितनी चादर. मैगजीन पढ़ेंगे, टीवी देखेंगे और कहेंगे अब ये चाहिए. इट्स गुड टू हैव एस्पिरेशंस इन लाइफ, बट यू शुडंट बी मिसगाइडेड, बिकॉज ऐसी कोई चीज़ नहीं है दुनिया में जो आप पे अच्छी नहीं लगेगी द डे यू डिसाइड आई वांट टू वेयर समथिंग लाइक दिस, नॉट दैट. सो दैट्स रूल नंबर 1. Rule number 2, always keep your ears and eyes open for things that feel good. And that could be a pair of jeans, but if you feel good and you want it, then you get out and get it. Not because it's on the cover of a magazine or a Bollywood actor is wearing it. It may not look good on you. Do what looks good on you. Be an individual.
Today we are going the ramp on.
what is your next message?
Oh, I have a long list, Jan Miri. I have a long list. I'm like that, 12 years old in my head. I have a few things to do. I have to do a film with which I can take a bow. I would like to give back all the love and the craze. You know, actors at a certain age, unfortunately, actresses, they say their careers are over because of an age factor or that bahut dekh liya, screen age aa gaya. I am one of those very blessed people जिनको आज भी लोग कहते हैं आप कब आ रहे हो फिल्म. You know, so I owe it to them. चाहे वो 5 लोग हो या 5,000, I have to do a film for them, and I have to make sure that the film is a huge hit for the people who waited for it. So I'm taking my time, but I will do that. That's one of my aspirations. I want to learn skiing. I want to learn the parallel bars in gymnastics. I want to go back to diving. I have a long list.
As you leave, camera, as you leave.
थोड़ा साइड डाला. हो गया. थैंक यू.
Global Advertiser for innovative outdoor solutions.
Global as a company, it has never compromised on its service quality and commitment, and that is the reason our clients do keep on coming again and again to us for our service. The mission of the company is to rise on the graph of betterment for every campaign handled by us.